Hold it right there. Look centered. Confirmed. Send it home. All clear.
Utilizing advanced computer controls, the cutting head begins carving the armored steel into precise hull sections. Freshly cut panels move along the conveyor toward the finishing station. The metal ticks and crackles as it rapidly cools. Here, armored panels enter a robotic grinding and finishing cell. The edges are smoothed to prepare for the military stance fans. The panels move onto the assembly jig where alignment pins rise. The hydraulic system then link. The aligned hull panels are permanently joined by these automated systems, forming the backbone of the battle tank. The hull undergoes rigorous non-contact inspection of the weld seams. Once approved, it moves to the Here in the machining bay, the automated heads begin precision machining the critical interfaces directly onto the tank hull. With the hull structure complete, specialized teams begin installing the complex internal systems before the hull moves.
Hold it right there. Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, ease it back 2 inches. Perfect. Lower away. Lower away. All right, bring it down. Watch the alignment on the sprocket. Holding steady. Lock it in. Lock it in. Secure that mounting frame to the bulkhead right there. All right, I'm running the cable pathway now. All right, lower slowly, watch the alignment. Clearance looks good, ready to seat. Engage locks,
The massive turret is precisely aligned and lowered onto the hull ring, settling into place before the locking C. The workers engage the automated locking mechanisms, securing the turret permanently to the hull structure. Under controlled power, the turret begins its slow rotation. Workers monitor the speed on handheld displays. Using an overhead crane, the heavy gun module is guided into the turret housing. It must seat perfect. Once the turret is in place, workers use high-powered torque wrenches to secure the armored housings and sensor covers. Once the armor panel is positioned by the overhead crane, high-tension bolts are driven in to secure it firmly to the hull. Lower. Easy.
hold.
Okay, set it down slowly. Using a specialized powered fastening system, the armor panels are rapidly locked into their recessed mounts, ensuring for seconds. With the side armor secured, the team begins installation on the front section, utilizing the factory's heavy cranes. Slowly now, just a fraction more.
Looks good. Set it down.
The fully armored battle tank enters the surface preparation bay. Here, robotic arms clean and condition.
Once the cleaning pass is complete, the tank will move to the drying stage. Next, the freshly washed tank moves into the heated drying tunnel, ensuring the exterior is completely dry. Inside the sealed application booth, Robotic arms apply a uniform base primer coat onto the tank. In the paint application stage, advanced robotics ensure an even coat of the primary color builds across the tank's surfaces. The robotic systems ensure an even coat across all surfaces. Once complete, the tank immediately moves to the spin coats.
The freshly painted military battle tank enters the final curing oven, where the intense heat hardens and barthers.
With the cooling cycle complete, the tank moves to the next stage, where the paint finish is inspected before.
With painting complete, the battle tank now rolls toward the system's testing area for final operational checks.
Increasing speed now to check steering response. The rollers indicate stable load bearing at simulated velocity. System stable. Final checks initiated. Everything looks good to go.
Initiating final systems check.
Checks complete. All green, awaiting external inspection clearance.
All systems show green indicators across the board.
Confirmed. Inspection approved. It's ready for delivery. The final documentation is approved as the tank enters the staging area. Protective coverings are applied.
It's official. The tank is approved for delivery. Well done, everyone. Let's get her ready for rollout. It's approved and ready for transport prep.
Good. Let's get the covers secured immediately.
Once secured, the completed battle tank begins its slow journey across the factory. Bring it back, easy now, and stop.
All clear. Start securing the platform.
That's the last one for today. Finally. I'm starving. Anyone heading downtown?
The manufacturing data is now finalized, confirming the successful completion of the battle tank.
Weighing over 60 tons, this mechanized behemoth rolls out, the embodiment of overwhelming force. The armored surface receives its final matte finish. Meticulously applied markings confirm the vividness. Finally, the manufacturing journey concludes. The completed battle tank exits the factory. Deep within this massive structure, the complex process of building a modern battle tank begins.